Hello rider, this is Adir from Shenzhen CORERIDE, and today I'm going to introduce you with our one of best sellers product, and this is AY02. And why is it the best seller product? I will give you all the details of it. First, take a look at the build quality. It's aluminum, it's forged aluminum, and is surprisingly lightweight, and it's a perfect combination for all kinds of trial forces. And the lever is 3.5 fingers, so everybody can handle it very easily. And for the caliper, we have bilateral braking system. It's a two pistons, and it can stop the disc rotor from the both sides for the more consistent braking and for resistance. And for brake pads, we are using high performance metallic brake pads for that, and it's excellent for the wear resistance, and you don't need to change it again and again. And we are using mineral oil inside the tube length, and we can also customize for as a split or integrated as per your needs. So if you want to know more about this product, please subscribe to our Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube channel. Also, you can visit our Alibaba and website for orders and for more details. And if you want to change your brake pads and brake calipers or your brake levers, you can reach out to us, and CORERIDE is the one who gives you a reliable braking solution.